You're not alone. Between bills, unexpected expenses, and that dream vacation you keep putting off, saving for the future can feel like a never-ending uphill battle. But what if I told you there was a way to invest your money, even with just your leftover change? Enter Raiz, a micro-investing app that's making waves for its user-friendly approach to building wealth. Now, before you click away thinking investing? That's for Wall Street big shots, not me. Hold on a second. Raiz is about making investing accessible for everyone, regardless of their income level or financial background. So, the big question is, can you choose what to invest in on Raiz? The answer is both yes and no. Here's why. Raiz, taking the complexity out of investing. Let's face it, traditional investing can be intimidating. Choosing stocks, bonds, understanding market fluctuations, it's enough to make your head spin. Raiz cuts through that complexity by offering pre-built portfolios. Think of these portfolios like pre-made meals at the grocery store. They take the guesswork out of what to invest in by combining different assets like stocks and bonds, all with varying levels of risk and potential return. But here's the catch, you don't pick individual stocks. Unlike some traditional brokerage platforms, Raiz doesn't give you complete control over your investments. You can't handpick specific companies you believe in. However, Raiz does offer a range of pre-built portfolios to choose from. These cater to different risk tolerances, from conservative, focused on stability, to aggressive, higher risk, potentially higher reward. Understanding your risk appetite. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with some short-term volatility for potentially higher returns down the line? Or do you prioritize stability and security for your invested funds? Raiz offers a quick and easy risk tolerance quiz that helps you determine the most suitable portfolio for your needs. Here's a breakdown of some portfolio options on Raiz. Core, this balanced portfolio aims for moderate growth while minimizing risk. Great for beginners or those with a longer investment horizon. Balanced offers a mix of growth and income potential with a slightly higher risk profile than the core portfolio. Growth focuses on capital appreciation through stocks with the potential for higher returns but also increased volatility. Suitable for investors comfortable with some risk. Let Raiz do the heavy lifting. One of the biggest advantages of Raiz is its automation features. You can set up automatic roundups to invest your spare change. Let's say you buy a coffee for $3.50. Raiz can round up the purchase to $4 and invest the difference in your chosen portfolio. These small, automatic investments add up over time, making it a painless way to build wealth consistently. So, can you customize your investments? While Raiz doesn't offer individual stock picking, you do have some control over your investment strategy. Here's how. Choosing your portfolio. As mentioned, Raiz offers various portfolios with different risk profiles. This allows you to tailor your investments to your financial goals and risk tolerance. Contribution frequency and amount. You decide how much and how often you contribute to your portfolio. This lets you adjust your investment pace based on your income and budget. Investment goals. Raiz allows you to set investment goals, like saving for a vacation or a down payment on a house. This helps you stay focused and motivated. Raiz, a powerful tool for building wealth. While Raiz may not offer complete control over individual investments, it provides an easy and accessible way to start building wealth for anyone. Its automated features, variety of portfolios, and user-friendly interface make it a perfect platform for beginners and seasoned investors alike. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Consistency and discipline are key to achieving your financial goals. With Raiz, you can take control of your financial future, one micro-investment at a time. Happy investing! With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.